To work smarter in InDesign, you can save text formatting as a style that you can easily and quickly apply later to other text. In this video, you'll save text formatting as a paragraph style and apply that style to text in a document. You can open a file you have or this file from the practice files for this tutorial to follow along. Now in this resume design, each of the listings under education and work experience like program manager, project manager, etc. will have the same formatting. Instead of applying the same formatting separately to each job title, you can format one, save that formatting as a style, and then apply that style to the remaining job titles in the document. So to select text, select the Type tool in the Tools panel, and click in the text West Valley College up here. To zoom into the text, choose View, Zoom in, and do that a few times. With the cursor in the text, in the Properties panel on the right, you can see the font size, and other formatting applied. Now to save the formatting from this text as a style, you'll first choose what type of text style to create. There are two types of text styles in InDesign, paragraph and character. Paragraph styles save all of the text formatting available, character and paragraph, and can only be applied to entire paragraphs of text. So paragraph styles can include everything you see in the paragraph and character sections of the Properties panel and more. Now, character styles only save character formatting, in other words, the formatting found in the character section of the Properties panel. Character styles apply to selected text and are usually used for formatting a proper name or maybe a price, for instance. Click to select paragraph styles. Now, each document starts with default formatting, 12-point, Minion Pro, etc. The basic paragraph style in the menu you see here controls that formatting. To save a new style, with the cursor in the text or with text selected, click the Create Style button in the Properties panel here. Change the name to Title or something similar. Then press Return or Enter to accept the name. The formatting from the selected text is now saved as a style in this document only. Now to apply the formatting from the paragraph style, insert the cursor in the text Program Manager down here. You can see in the Properties panel that the basic paragraph style is applied, which is the default formatting for a document. Select the text by clicking 3 times. Change the font size in the Properties panel over here by clicking the up arrow. The selected text is changed, and that formatting is called local formatting. In the Properties panel, click the Paragraph Styles menu and choose Manage Styles to open a panel for managing the paragraph styles in the document. You should see a plus next to the basic paragraph style in the Paragraph Styles panel now. That plus, if you move the pointer over it, indicates that the selected text has some formatting that is different from the basic paragraph style formatting. That's called an override. Now to remove that different formatting you applied and make it look like the default text, click the Clear Overrides button at the bottom of this panel. You can then close the panel by clicking the X in the corner. Now to apply a paragraph style, the cursor can be in the paragraph or the paragraph can be selected. Choose the title style in the Paragraph Styles menu to apply it. The text now has the title paragraph style formatting applied. If, after applying a paragraph style to text, you decide you want the formatting to return to the default formatting, you can choose the basic paragraph style from this menu to apply it. Scroll down and apply the title style to each of the titles by inserting the cursor and choosing the style name from the menu. As you can see, paragraph styles are a great way to work smarter in InDesign. Now that you know how to create and apply a paragraph style, practice by saving a paragraph style from the date text and apply that style to the rest of the date text in the document. You can also try creating a style for the body text and applying that style to the rest of the body text in the resume.